Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sarah, and today on Hella Fat Vegan, we're going to be making some Jack in the Box style tacos. Let's get started. A few weeks ago, me and my husband Sean were craving some junk food, so we thought we'd try to make some Jack in the Box style tacos, and I'm so glad we did because they came out perfect, just like the real thing or how I remember them. These tacos are actually pretty simple to make and quick, so when you're in the mood for some junk food, this is definitely a great recipe to go to. So let's just get to it. I've prepped some of the ingredients already, so I'll show you what I have here. I crumbled up some pressed tofu. If you can't find the pressed tofu at your grocery store or Asian market, you can use extra firm. You basically just want it to be as firm as possible to get it to a crumbly texture. Chopped up some lettuce, and you'll want to have them in like little chunks basically. I think this is how they do their lettuce inside the tacos. They've also got here some sliced cheese, so I just have 6 slices, one for each of the tacos I'm going to be making. Some taco seasoning and some veggie broth that I will actually add to the tofu right now. So you just want to sprinkle on the taco seasoning and then just pour in the veggie broth, and then we'll throw this on the stove. So you want to put this on medium heat. And I'm just going to mix everything up really well. So now it's all mixed pretty well and it's starting to heat up. Just want to keep stirring it and cooking it until all the water is evaporated. Just let it simmer in the juices to kind of absorb all of the taco seasonings. Stir occasionally to make sure that it doesn't stick onto the pan. Okay, now that all the water has evaporated, I'm just going to add in some olive oil. But you can use any type of oil you want, basically just to like fry up the tofu and to cook it, make a little bit more of a meaty texture. It's all done cooking, and I put it into this bowl here so it's nice and fluffy, kind of a meaty texture, you can see. So that's how you want it. Now we're just gonna put together all the tacos. I have all of my corn tortillas right here. I'm gonna be making 6 of them. First, I'm just going to place a slice of cheese on each one. Next, I'll put the tofu on top. Next, I will put the lettuce on the tacos. And I'm going to be putting some hot sauce on it. So you can use any type of hot sauce you want. I'm going to be using some Tapatio. Next, I'm going to heat up some oil to deep fry these tacos in. So I'm just going to put enough oil to cover the bottom, about 1/4 inch of oil, and then I'm just going to be flipping them on each side. I'm setting it somewhere around like medium heat. I think it's all set, so I'm just going to grab my first taco here and fold it in half Make sure everything stays inside, kind of pushing everything in. Okay, so folding it and then placing it in the oil. So I also have some tongs that I'm going to be using to hold it shut. You'll want to cook the taco for about a minute on each side. So it's about done, so I'm just going to take it out and put it on a plate. Keep repeating until you finish all your tacos. They're all done and they're right here. Very delicious, very crispy, greasy, just the way it should be. You can eat this with anything you want, basically. Maybe if you want to do it Mexican style, you can, but I'm actually going to be eating it with some French fries. Some curly fries would be great, but I couldn't find them. Give this recipe a thumbs up, a like, because they are super delicious. I hope you all try it because it's pretty amazing. It's right on. So if you've missed Jack in the Box tacos, now you can have them again. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because there's going to be a lot more delicious recipes coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you turn on your notifications as well, so that way you're notified whenever new recipes come out. The link to the full recipe is in the description below. When you click on that, you'll also be able to download the full recipe sheet that you can print or save it on your computer and just keep it for whenever you're feeling like some delicious tacos. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you try these tacos because they are great. All right, I'm gonna eat these with some fries, and I'll see you guys in the next video.